So now we have our app finished. We've tested to make sure we're happy with how it's working. If we go into File, we can change some content on there. So for example, we could give it a different color. We could give it a different icon, maybe one of the task type icons on there, and give it a description. So you can see there I've just changed it to app to track your daily tasks effectively. You could also, if you wanted, change the orientation. If you wanted it to be a landscape one, and you can lock it. So you can see with mine I've locked it so that it doesn't adjust. And then finally we can save that, and that will save it back up to Office 365 where you can work on it. Now the real benefit of that is we've obviously got our SharePoint list there. If you want to interact with it, there is a view there called Daily Task Demos, and you can see it loads that Power App data, and we can open that up. I do believe that one of the tasks that Microsoft are doing is to be able to embed that view directly into there, so that rather than opening a separate tab and working with your app, you could also work on that directly within SharePoint as well. And hopefully this will actually open. No, that's not behaving on there. Ah, there we go. Fantastic. And there you can see you can start to work on your daily task demo directly from there. But just while that's loading, the other option you can have is there is the iOS and Android apps on there. So if I open PowerApps from my device, excuse me, you can see we also have the daily task demo. And hopefully if I refresh that, we should see the task come through, and I can click on the daily task demo and just download the latest version of that. Just while it's loading, just show you the web-based one that you've got behind. You can see you can update as you would on there, but all through a browser, so it doesn't need to be downloaded to your device. And then we can look at the same things here. Hopefully if I refreshed on there, you can see that when I've updated it from the web view behind, this is updated directly. And I've got my application there. I can slip through the different days, look at today and yesterday on the different items. I can add a new task within there, test on phone, for example, relate that to this daily task set the task date for tomorrow, and no, that's not completed yet. And you can see if we have a look at tomorrow, we got test on phone shown there. So you've got a very quick, easy to use application. Now obviously if we swipe to exit, you can jump in there. You can see the icons updated now. It's all very nice, but you have to load PowerApps, then download the app. It'd be much easier if you could just pin it to home. If we click on there, what you will see is it gives you some instructions, but you can add to home screen. Give it a name such as Daily Task Demo, and if I add that on there now, you'll see that I've got a Daily Task app that I can appear on my window, and I can get straight away there. So very easy to interact, very easy to work with, as well as having on the browser, which you can save a link to. So the final item that I will talk about is, while you have your daily tasks, especially if you don't have any notifications, you may forget that you've got items to do that. So what we'll do is integrate Flow and start to see how that could send alerts and updates to remind us to either set our daily tasks, or also to remind us that we have tasks outstanding.